Okay, question number 15. A standing wave is formed in a pipe close at one end. Okay, so this is a standing wave is formed here like this. So this is your standing wave will be formed. Okay, then what is this called as? Your first harmonic. The third harmonic has a frequency of 400 hertz. Frequency is given, then your speed is given. What is the length of the pipe? Length of the pipe here. So when you say third harmonic is set up in this pipe, now how does it look like? It looks like this. This will be your node. This will be the formation of the standing wave like this. This will be a third harmonic, which will be F3 over here. So which means, what is the distance here? This would be lambda by 4. This would be lambda by 2. So L should be equal to 3 lambda by 4. Okay. Now what we need to do is get the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to V by F. Now what is V? 300. What is F? 400. So answer is 3 by 4 here. So L should be equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, which should be equal to 9 by 16. So answer is B. Okay.